Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 Airsoft video. We are going to be testing this Spectre Arms build gun that's come in. A customer wanted, it was just pretty lifeless on the, even on the upgraded motor that was coming quite sluggish on single shots. So he just said he was just, just wanted quicker, faster, just generally a bit more quality of life there. So we're just going to just demonstrate it now. It's going to be on an 11.1 battery. So we've got a base 45k motor. We've got a Prometheus 13:1 gears. We've got the FPS piston head, which we've combined with the SEMA piston in there already. We've done 3-tooth short stroke, and we've got Prometheus air nozzle, which we had to put a slightly shorter one in there to work with the Max hop unit that was already in there. That just it wasn't feeding well, so clearly that's possibly led to the gun coming here. We've also installed a red trigger that the customer requested, obviously because it's a Gate Aster that's in there. We fit the Gate Quantum trigger in red with an MS-120 and one spacer. So we're just going to demonstrate it working now. Just give me a sec, Dad. There we go. When you say you want it a little bit quicker, hopefully that's what you meant. So we hope you enjoy and have lots of fun with it. Thank you.